DORA, Essential Contractual Clauses for the Digital Resilience of Financial Entities. The DORA Regulation, or Digital Operational Resilience Act, imposes new requirements on financial entities regarding cybersecurity and digital operational resilience. One of the key tools to meet these requirements is the inclusion of specific contractual clauses in agreements with third-party IT service providers. These clauses are essential to guarantee business continuity, data protection, and the ability to respond to security incidents. Types of fundamental contractual clauses and their requirements. The DORA regulation requires that contracts with third-party IT service providers include at least the following clauses. Complete description of functions and services. It is necessary to detail precisely all the functions and services that the provider will provide to the financial entity, including, for example, the development and maintenance of applications, cloud storage, network management, cybersecurity services, etc., places of service provision, and data processing. It must be specified where the services will be provided and in which locations the data will be processed, both within and outside the European Union. Service levels. The expected service levels in terms of availability, performance, and response time must be clearly defined. ICT risk monitoring. The contract must include clauses that allow the financial entity to continuously monitor the risk associated with ICT, such as periodic reports on the security status and incidents that have occurred. Security and data protection guarantees. The provider must guarantee the accessibility, availability, integrity, security, and protection of personal data processed under the contract, complying with applicable data protection regulations. Data access and recovery in the event of insolvency. Mechanisms must be established to ensure that the financial entity can access, recover, and restore its data in the event of insolvency, resolution, or interruption of the provider's operations. Cooperation with authorities. The provider must be obliged to fully cooperate with the competent authorities and with the resolution authorities of the financial entity in the event of security incidents or investigations. Termination of the contract. Termination rights and minimum notice periods for termination of the contract must be established, taking into account the expectations of the competent authorities and resolution authorities. By ensuring that contracts with third-party IT service providers include these fundamental clauses, financial entities can take proactive measures to protect their technological infrastructure and minimize the risks associated with cybersecurity. At ILP, we are experts in advising companies and startups. Our goal is to support your success and growth. Get in touch with our AIs, Savvy and Atenea, to focus your queries or contact us directly. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.